So I got a phone call and she said, I have no water and I haven't had water in a couple of weeks and I need some help and I just need somebody to put a pipe in the ground. I dug a little deeper and found out that the well that she had was put in 1977 by her husband and it was 13 feet into the ground, and somehow miraculously that has been able to supply her home. Any water that was used for cooking, to flush the toilets, to take a sponge bath or anything, all had to be collected and brought in containers, and that's how she has been expected to survive. Once we came out and drilled and were unsuccessful, and then we had to break that news to her and how much a deep well approximately was going to be. I think my heart broke a little bit. So I started checking out different programs, and I called back the Waterwell Trust, and they were phenomenal.
And it's still amazing to think that in the 21st century in the United States that there are people in the world that don't have access to clean drinking water. And our opportunity here is to help solve that.
We are thrilled to be working with Waterwell Trust and Xylem. These partnerships are so valuable and we would not be able to do this work without them. Waterwell Trust is our qualifying partner. We would not know which communities to serve, who is in need most.
One of the wonderful things that Xylem provides for us is opportunities to engage in the community, to help provide community service in some form or fashion.
We put in a well, put in a new 280-foot well, so she'll have nice clean water, but to ensure it's protected from the elements, Xylem came out and with our volunteers we built the shed and put it up around the tank and the piping so it'll be protected from the elements.
I think for me, the opportunity to really come alongside our customers and something that they do every day and work together as organizations to really help our neighbor, somebody who may not be able to afford a well or a new pump.
I think it's great, and I think I met the most wonderful people that I ever met, and they're so nice and kind, and I thank God for them. I never got my water if it weren't for them. I don't want to talk too much, I'll cry.
But this is where we can affect change. This is where we change lives, and this is where people stepping up all across every step of the way to make a difference is, for me, what makes what we do worth it. So it's been an amazing opportunity.